Now we've rotated out walls, let's just have a look at how we can mirror objects. There's two different ways that we can mirror objects in Revit. One way is to use a pick line tool, and the other way is to draw a line. Let's say this is our building that we've designed, and this is the block, or this is also another building we've designed, and I want to mirror these buildings across this wall. So I can select everything here. Now let's just say I did it like that, and you can see I've picked up the elevation tag as well. So we'll go back to our filter, check none, just the walls. And I'm going to use this pick axis tool. Whenever you see a green line inside of Revit, that means pick an existing wall. So I'll pick an existing line, and I'm going to click on that, and you can see it mirrored it across that wall. I could do this again. This is going to, and use that, and then maybe mirrored across that wall. So that became the axis that it's mirroring across. So that's how we mirror. Now let's say we didn't have this wall, but I wanted to draw a line where this could mirror across. That's where I could use the Draw Axis Mirror. So select what I want. I could use the shortcut C. I'm going to show you something. See, I've selected these two by accident, and I didn't want them in my selection set. Now I can hold down Shift and select them, and they will be removed from my selection set. Let's say I wanted to add this one, though, into my select set. I can hold down Control and add that in. Now I can use the Draw Mirror, so I'm going to click on that, and I just need to click on the starting point and click on the end point. And you can see how that's drawing a line that's going to mirror that across. Maybe I want to mirror that way out over here. I'm actually just got to mirror this little box in here. Draw mirror, 1, 2, and that has mirrored that across.